Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're fixing Resident Evil Village PS5 audio not working on your PS5. First, place your PS5 on a flat surface so we can check a few simple things on the PS5. Gently unplug the HDMI cable from the back of the PS5. Inspect the HDMI port on the PS5 with your fingers to feel for dust or loose connection. Plug the HDMI cable firmly back into the PS5 until you hear it click. Now unplug the HDMI cable from the TV and reconnect it while keeping the PS5 powered on. Turn off the PS5 using the PS5 power button for a clean restart. Wait until the PS5 light fully shuts off before touching the PS5 again. Turn the PS5 back on and check if the PS5 audio returns. If the PS5 audio is still missing, press the PS5 controller PS button and open PS5 settings. Scroll to PS5 sound settings so we can verify the PS5 audio output device. Select output device and choose HDMI device for the PS5. If the PS5 still has no audio, open audio format on the PS5 menu. Switch the PS5 audio format to linear PCM to avoid compatibility issues. Now raise the PS5 volume slider if it's accidentally lowered. Return to the PS5 home screen and test sound again in Resident Evil Village on the PS5. If that fails, go back into the PS5 sound menu. Open the PS5 audio output and disable 3D audio on the PS5 temporarily. Restart the PS5 to refresh the PS5 audio settings. Launch Resident Evil Village again on your PS5 to test the PS5 sound. If audio is still not working, turn off the PS5 again. Unplug the power cable from the PS5 for 20 seconds. This PS5 power cycle clears temporary PS5 audio glitches. Plug the PS5 power cable back in firmly. Turn on the PS5 and return to the PS5 home screen. Try opening another game on the PS5 to check if the PS5 audio works system-wide. If other PS5 games have sound but Resident Evil Village on PS5 does not, open PS5 game presets. Reset the PS5 game presets to default. Now check the PS5 storage to ensure the PS5 game is not corrupted. Highlight Resident Evil Village on the PS5 and press Options. Select Check for Update to ensure your PS5 has the latest version. If updated, choose Delete and reinstall only if your PS5 internet is stable. If the PS5 still has audio issues, turn the PS5 off again. Hold the PS5 power button until the second beep to enter PS5 safe mode. Connect the PS5 controller with a cable to navigate PS5 safe mode. Select option 4, Rebuild Database on the PS5. The PS5 will reorganize system files which often restores PS5 audio issues. After reboot, return to the PS5 home screen. Launch Resident Evil Village again on the PS5. If the PS5 still has no sound, go back to PS5 sound settings. Select HDMI device again for the PS5 output. Enable TV speakers if the PS5 was previously set to another device. Now test the PS5 audio once more with a different clip on the PS5 media gallery. If audio plays here, the PS5 is working and the game settings caused the issue. Reset the in-game audio settings inside Resident Evil Village on the PS5. Save and restart the game on the PS5. Test combat sounds and music to verify the PS5 audio is restored. If everything works, power cycle the PS5 one final time for stability. Your Resident Evil Village PS5 audio should now be fixed on your PS5. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Subscribe for more PS5 fixes just like this.